viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am very excited because I have just received OBSBOT Me from Hong Kong. I have pre-ordered this like 2 months or 3 months back, and I just received it. It's a new gadget. It is AI powered phone mount, and it does not require any application to operate. It has a tracking device which tracks your face, and it will move with you whenever you move. So you can use it for your Facebook calling, using WhatsApp, if you are making video on TikTok, YouTube, if you are a vlogger. This is must-have device. So I'm going to unbox it. Come with me and we will see what's inside. Come on. Okay, so here is our OBSBOT Me, and it's AI powered selfie phone mount. So let's open it. Ta-da! Wow, it comes with a pouch. Okay, let's keep it aside right now, and we can open it. Very nicely finished pouch, and here you go. It's your OBSBOT Me. So here's the tracker. It's not a camera, but it tracks your face and it will move with you. So it tracks your face, and it also comes with a tripod, so you can mount in your tripod. It says OBSBOT this way. So it says OBSBOT, and this one also says OBSBOT. And let's see what else is in the box. Alrighty, so we have this USB cable. I believe this is for the power. So it's a USB-C. And I have no idea about this. I don't know what's this, but let's see. So here is the user manual. I believe you can see it. Okay, and what else? Something in Chinese. It's a complete satisfaction is our goal. This product is under our warranty. Okay, let's see how we can operate it. OBSBOT Me AI power. Okay, so first what you need to do is hold the phone holder in arm and rotate it. Okay, so it was like this. So what I did is I just rotate it, and here you go. Now I will mount it. Okay guys, as you can see, I have set up my OBSBOT here with my cell phone, and it is already tracking me. You can see it's moving with me, and now I'm going to start recording on my camera. It's my cell phone camera, and it is moving with me on left hand side, and now it moves with me on my right hand side, and wherever I move myself here and there, it moves with me. Ooh, hello. So I can post my video in detail with all of the features of this. I can use this OBSBOT during a call on WhatsApp, as well as if I'm doing a recording with my phone camera, I can use it. I can use it for my Facebook calling as well. So any video calling and any video recording, we can use it. And we can also use our phone's back camera as well. It will only record, it will automatically track my face. So this is just a little bit overview of my OBSBOT Me. Hopefully you like it, and if you like this video, follow my channel and share my video with your friends. Thank you. Thank you.